We've been under a stay-at-home order for weeks now, but that could be changing. Governor Wolf and state leaders are working on a plan to lift the order and return to a more normal way of life. Here's Pam Surano to break down that plan for us. Pam.
Kim, everyone wants to know when life will return to normal, when government offices will reopen, when businesses will reopen, and Pennsylvanians can get back to work. The governor says the plan to do that must be smart and specific, and he says a few things have to happen first. Addressing Pennsylvanians tonight, Governor Tom Wolf said residents are in a painful phase, continuing to bend the curve of COVID-19 cases while the economy, he said, is suffering. The governor maintains social distancing must continue to help health care from being overwhelmed, and a few things must happen first before things can get back to normal.
We want to see a drop in the number of new cases. We want to see sustained increases in the materials healthcare workers need to fight diseases like this.
Meanwhile, two bills are being introduced in the State House tomorrow to try and get Pennsylvanians working again. The Republican legislators introducing those bills say if back to work doesn't happen soon, there will be no economy left.
We have the highest number of claims in the entire United States.
Speaking to KDKA reporter John Delano today, the state speaker of the House said Pennsylvania has the most restrictive orders in the country.
It didn't adhere to what we would typically think of it in terms of rule of law or due process.
Mike Turzai said the bills would mandate businesses and industry to follow health and safety guidelines in order to reopen. Pennsylvania House Democrats say, however, it's too risky to get back to work just yet. The state secretary of health warns doing so could create another spike in cases.
She said it would be absolutely devastating for us to open up now and open up too soon.
However, the governor says the state is working on a plan to develop strategies to ease restrictions that have changed life as we know it.
People are still dying. The economy is still tanking. And we know that the draconian steps we are now taking cannot go on forever.
Governor Wolf will be working with the governors of 6 other states, including New York Governor Andrew Cuomo. They'll be working as a collaborative to get the regions reopened, they say, as soon as possible. Reporting live from the North Shore, Pam Surano, KDKA News.